Let's make the most delicious baked chicken. It is so soft it melts in your mouth. It is flavorful and satisfying, perfect for a dinner with family or friends. First of all, add the baking foil to a large tray, then put the previously marinated meat and your favorite vegetables. I use zucchini, carrots, yellow and red bell peppers, tomatoes, potatoes, onions, and garlic. This recipe is a family favorite, and if you like it too, don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe for more simple and tasty recipes. Season everything with salt, pepper, paprika to taste, add olive oil, and mix everything very good. And as usual, you can find the step-by-step recipe in the description of this video. After mixing, cover the tray with baking foil and put in the oven for about 40 minutes at 220 degrees, then remove the foil and leave for another 15 minutes. This way you will get the softest, juiciest inside and slightly crispy outside chicken meat. Don't forget to serve with a salad and enjoy your meat. I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to give me a subscribe and a like for more recipes like this. Je suis dommage.